Hi, my name's Rachel from Sew Round the Bend, and in today's video I'm going to do an unboxing of all the things I bought on Amazon Prime Day. So join me as we go through each parcel and see what I got. I got these things quite some time ago because I was waiting for some things to ship from the States. So I can't actually remember what I got. So this is just going to be as much discovery for me as it is for you. So here we go. Our first item is, it's the Prym mini iron. I want this for my wool pressing mat because I don't want to use my Aliso iron on that, so this will be great for patchwork. This is the next parcel, so to open this up, and it says aerosols, so let's see what this is. I think this could be the 505 temporary spray. We will see. Oh yes, it is. It's got these horrible things in. I really don't like the feel of those. So I got 2 of the large sprays for them. I already know what's in this one because I was too excited and I had to open this one. So this is the Clover quilting pins. I've got 2 packets of these. My pins have gone really dull and they just drag whenever I put them through fabric. So these ones are super sharp and they weren't cheap, but I think they're definitely worth it. Here we have the next item. And here we have a stiletto piecing tool. So I haven't got one of these, but I see a lot of people use them, and I'm hoping this will help me feed the fabric through at an even rate. So that's another one that I'm excited to use. Admittedly, this one isn't very exciting, it's just some spray starch. I use this Dylon spray starch and I got 6 cans. It's much cheaper to buy in bulk than buy individually from the supermarket. And actually the only supermarket that sells this around where I live is Sainsbury's, and that's not really a shop that I go to very often, so I'm glad to have 6 to keep me going. On to this next one now. And here we have curved safety pins. These will be useful when I'm quilting. If I'm going to do some hand quilting, I've seen a lot of people use these and I've never tried them, so I thought I'd give them a go. In here we have some rotary cutter blades. I decided to try a generic brand rather than the Alpha brand, so we'll see how these ones go. But I don't change my blade often enough, so I'm hoping now I've got a big pack of these that I'll be able to remember and not feel so bad about going through the blades. Next we have some Gütermann Sew All thread, and this is 1,000 meters. This was cheaper than buying it from Dylon, which is where I would normally get this thread from in the UK. This one's larger and softer, and I think I know what's in this one, but let's open it and have a look. Oh, I'm gonna need scissors. Oh yes, this is the So Easy wadding. It's 80% cotton and 20% polyester, and this is what I've been using for my quilt batting recently. Here we have another soft one, and I think this is also quilt batting. Okay, so this is the same, however this is a twin size and the other one was a queen size. This next one has 2 rolls in it. Again, I think I know what's in this one, but let's have a look. Okay, we have Heat and Bond Ultra Hold, and another packet of, oh, this one doesn't come in a wrapper. I will have to investigate that, but I think this one might be the light hold. So yes, I've got these. Oh, this feels like fabric. Yes. This is a rainbow pack of 10-inch squares, I think. Yes. Comes in multiple colours. I'm not going to, oh, maybe I will open it out. All these beautiful colours. So I have a plan for this, but that's going to be a secret, and I'll show you when it's made. Thank you for watching this unboxing. Keep tuned to see what I make. If you have any questions about the items that I've shown, please leave any questions in the comments section down below. I answer all comments, and it'll be great to see you chatting in the comments down there. Okay, take care until next time. Bye.